Alright gentlemen, here we are. Mr. UPS man, he dropped me off a little special gift. Hess Motorsports. Yeah, Bill, better not sure that's his wife. PV3, boys, that's what we got. Do a little performance gain on our Pioneer 1000-5. So, what do we got? Got the instruction manual. Hey, here we go. PV3. USB cable back to our computer. Wiring harness back to the actual machine. Few stickers, nothing too exciting. The boys do send us a nice t-shirt though, green, just like the money. So, not sponsored by them, but hey, every little bit helps. So here's the plan. The PV3 from Hess has a stock tune and a performance tune. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the stock tune off of my actual machine. I'm going to send that to DynoJet so that they'll send me a DynoJet tune that should be a little bit more advanced as well. So what we're going to do then is we're going to take the 3 tunes, stock tune, run 0 to 30 in high and low gear on asphalt. I know, nothing exciting there. Though we got to have some consistent numbers. So we're going to do that. We're going to take the IR gun. We're going to shoot the exhaust back at about probably the O2 sensor and see where we're at back there. See if we can get that temperature drop down, because supposedly, you know, they're going to richen this thing up. And that's really, it seems to me like that's where a lot of the heat comes from, is off that rear pipe, burning out lean. I think I've seen that thing get cherry red there a couple times. So if we can get that heat down, the kids are going to be just that much more comfortable. And plus we got more horsepower, so I mean, there's nothing wrong whatever with that. So, but I mean, really the machine, it's a basic Pioneer 1000-5, color Hyundai. It's pretty well the Suburban. We've got her loaded up at all times, so any extra little bit's going to help there. It's got the stock big horns on it, so should be a pretty decent time. So subscribe below, check this out, see what we got. Thanks.